Hi, my name is Katrina. I'm a chartered physiotherapist at TheBumpRoom and you're watching our blog. Today's blog is on our tips for proper lifting technique. Okay, these tips are aimed primarily at women who may be suffering low back pain. Okay, and if you're not suffering with low back pain and you're expecting or you're postnatal and you're lifting your toddlers at home, this is all good practice. Okay, these are the best our best advice to you when you are lifting. Okay, so before I lift, so we've got this this object here, which is a replica of a pram, okay, or a buggy that you're probably all lifting a lot at the moment. Okay, so before we actually go and lift, I want to just give just a few little tips, and the first one is on just gently drawing your pelvic floor muscles up before you actually lift the object. Okay, so that's engaging our pelvic floor muscles, which helps to give extra support to our back. And the other thing we want you to do is, as you're lifting, just gently draw your bump or your belly, okay, in towards your back, okay? And again, that's just getting your deep tummy muscles working as well. And all this is just helping to give your lower back a little bit of extra support when you're lifting. So before I go down, the other tips I'm going to give you is really just to avoid overstretching. Make sure that the object is as close as possible to you, and I'll just demonstrate that. And the other thing is that we're going to bend our knees as well, okay? And when we're coming back up as we're lifting, we're going to be pushing up through the legs, okay? So let the legs take a lot of the pressure so that your back isn't being overworked. So I'm going to just demonstrate this as from the side, okay? So as we're coming down, we're just going to bend the knees, okay? So as I say, have the object just close to you, okay? So avoid overstretching for an object, okay? Because that's just going to put extra pressure on your back. So what you're going to do is just have the object nice and close to you, okay? So thinking about just drawing your pelvic floor in and drawing your bump towards your back, okay? As you take the object, and then just as you're lifting up, you're pushing up through the knees to come up into standing. Okay, and the same thing would apply to you if you're putting something down, okay, that you keep it close to your body and avoid having it held out too far. Again, that's loading your back more, so keep it close to your body, and then as you're dropping it down, you can just bend the knees and place the object back down on the ground. So there are tips again for proper lifting technique for all of you mothers out there, whether you're pregnant or postnatal. That's good practice and the best way to be doing any lifting. If you want to watch more videos or regular blogs from us, just pop on over to TheBumpRoom.ie and where you can subscribe to our regular video blogs. Thank you for watching and keep sharing.